Quickly fix Chrome's connection timed out error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of Google Chrome application. As you can see on the screen, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application. So go back and then on the home screen, you can see the Google Chrome application. So make a long press on it and then tap on App Info. As you do that, you'll be able to see different options over here. So tap on the clear data option at the bottom of the screen and then clear cache. If it's possible, you can delete all data. Next, tap on the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required options. After that, go back and make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might as well fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.